Hello everybody. Today discuss about the Mathematics 2B Intermediate Second Year, MPC and MEC Second Year students. In Mathematics 2B, what is the syllabus and what is the weightage of each chapter and what is the model paper of Board of Intermediate in Mathematics 2B explained today class. Students, watch this video up to end. You get some information using Board of Intermediate examination preparation students. Here Mathematics 2B having two parts. One is geometry, second one is calculus. First part is what? Geometry, second part is calculus. In this geometry, first chapter is circles. What is the first chapter? First chapter is circles. Second chapter is system of circles. System of circles. In geometry, second chapter is system of circles. Third chapter is parabola. Third one is parabola. Fourth one is ellipse. Fourth chapter is ellipse. Fifth chapter is hyperbola. Fifth chapter is what here? Fifth chapter is hyperbola. This three chapter belongs to conic section. Which section? Conic section. Conic section having three chapters. One is parabola, second one is ellipse, third one is hyperbola. This three chapter belongs to conic section. Geometry having five chapters. First chapter is circle, second chapter is system of circles, third chapter is parabola, fourth chapter is ellipse, fifth chapter is hyperbola. Last three chapter belongs to, that is 3, 4, 5. These three chapter belongs to conic section. This is the geometry part of the Mathematics 2B in MPC, MEC second year students. Next is calculus part. In this calculus part having three chapters. First chapter is, that is chapter number 6th. Sixth chapter is integration. Which chapter? Sixth chapter is integration. This is the first chapter of calculus part. Seventh chapter is definite integration. Definite integration. Last chapter, eighth chapter is differential equations. Eighth chapter is what? Differential equation. This is the last chapter of Mathematics 2B, last chapter of calculus part. In this calculus part having three chapters. First chapter is integration, second chapter is definite integration, third chapter is differential equation. This three chapter belongs to calculus part. This is the syllabus of Mathematics 2B Intermediate Telugu Academy textbook syllabus. Total 8 chapters. After that, what is the model paper of Mathematics 2B in Telangana Board of Intermediate Examination or Andhra Pradesh Board of Intermediate Examination? Here, model paper is what here? Model paper of Board of Intermediate Examination. In this model paper divides three parts. How many parts? Three parts, nothing but three sections. Section A. Section A belongs to only 2 marks questions. Only 2 marks question, that is very short answer questions. 2 marks question, that is very short answer questions. In this very short answer question, 10 questions are given. You can write 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. You can write 10 questions. In examination, 10 questions are given. You can write 10 questions. Each question carry 2 marks. 10 twos are 20 marks. 10 twos are how many marks? 20 marks. This is section A. Section A belongs to 2 marks. Very short answer questions. After that, section B. Section B belongs to 4 marks questions. That is short answer questions. Short answer type questions. nothing but 4 marks question. In this 4 marks question, 7 questions are given. You can write any 5 questions. 7 questions are given. You can write any 5 questions. Each question carry how many marks? 4 marks. 5 fours are 20 marks. 5 fours are how many marks? 20 marks coming to the section B. That is 4 marks question bit. Short answer type questions. Last section is section C. Section C belongs to 7 marks questions. Section C belongs to 7 marks question. Essay type questions or long answer questions. Long answer type questions. In this section, once again 7 questions are given. You can write any 5 questions. 5 out of 7 questions. 5 out of 7 questions. In this, each question in this section carry 7 marks. 5 sevens are 35 marks coming to the section C, essay type or long answer type questions. Total how many marks? Here section A 20 marks, section B 20 marks, section C 35 marks, total 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 35 75 marks paper in Board of Intermediate Examination in Telangana state. Total 75 marks in Mathematics 2B. This is a model paper of Mathematics 2B. After that, what is the weightage of each chapter in Mathematics 2B? First goes to geometry part. What is the first chapter of geometry? First chapter of geometry, circles. That circles having 2 marks questions, 1 4 marks question, 2 7 marks question. 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 2 7 marks. Total how many marks? 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 2 22 marks. Just 22 marks coming to only one chapter, that is circles. Only 22 marks. Only one chapter, that is circle, 22 marks coming to the IPE examination. Second chapter is system of circles. In this system of circles coming 1 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, total 6 marks. 1 2 marks, 1 4 marks, total 6 marks coming to the system of circles. After that, parabola. Third chapter is parabola. In this parabola, 1 2 marks question, 1 7 marks question, total 9 marks coming to the parabola. 1 2 marks, 1 7 marks, total 9 marks coming to the parabola conic section. After that, ellipse. In this ellipse, only 2 4 marks question coming to the in this ellipse chapter. Only 2 4 marks questions. 4 plus 4 8 marks coming to the ellipse chapter. After that, hyperbola. In this hyperbola coming to the 1 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, total 6 marks. 1 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, total 6 marks coming to the IP hyperbola in Mathematics 2B. In geometry part, total how many marks coming? 22 marks plus 6. 22 plus 6 28. 28 plus 9 37. 37 plus 8 45. 45 plus 6 51 marks coming to the geometry part in Mathematics 2B Board of Intermediate Examination. Only geometry part 51 marks. In this 51, circle chapter having 22 marks in Mathematics 2B. After that, you goes to calculus part. In this calculus, first chapter is integration. Integration having 2 marks question, 2 7 marks question, total 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18 marks coming to the integration part. Very important chapter. You can learn integration topic, you get definite integration and differential equation. Okay students, after that this 18 marks coming to the integration topic. After that, definite integration. In this definite integration, 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, 1 7 marks question coming to the IP examination. 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 1 7 marks, total 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 4 15 marks coming to the 15 marks coming to the IP examination in definite integration. After that, last chapter of calculus is differential equation. Last chapter of mathematics 2B is differential equations. In this differential equation, 1 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, 1 7 marks question coming to the IP examination. 1 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 1 7 marks. Total 13 marks coming to the IP examination. Total 13 marks coming to the only differential equation chapter. In this differential equation, total 13 marks coming. Total, what is the total marks of calculus part? 18 plus 15, 33 marks. 33 plus 13, 46 marks. 46 marks coming to the calculus part. Just 3 chapters. Just 3 chapters coming to the 46 marks in calculus part. Very, very useful calculus part in JEE Mains examination or EAMCET examination or advanced examination. Total how many marks? 51 plus 46. 51 plus 46. Total 97 marks coming to the Board of Intermediate Examination. You get right examination 75 marks. 75 marks out of 97 marks. 2 4 marks question choice, 2 7 marks question choice, no choice in 2 marks question in IP examination. This is the weightage of each chapter in mathematics 2B. Okay students, thank you so much.